一起完成了一个有利于社会群星的一个项目，是一种人生的快乐。
A group of students at the Huazhong University of Science and Technology in central China's Hubei province has developed an AI system that restores old photographs to help families find their loved ones. It all began in 2020 when Xing Jinzhong, the founder, noticed that most photos of missing children in social search efforts were blurred and damaged, making them hard to recognize, and was inspired to leverage professional technology to aid in the search. Many students joined the cause to form a team of volunteers and spent half a year dedicated to overcoming this challenge. They developed a set of AI algorithms specifically designed for image restoration, tackling the core issue of enhancing facial clarity in search photos. Beyond photo enhancement, the volunteers established a social model for searching. They actively collaborated with public security departments and charities to conduct joint searches, increasing the accuracy of technical search efforts. They used the restored, clear images to create printed tapes for packages and designed search postcards and short videos, which facilitated the spread of search information, transforming individual family searches into community-wide efforts. In its 3 years, the team has utilized AI image restoration technology to repair photos of over 1,000 lost children, aiding 11 of them in reuniting with their families. Each photo restored, and each family reunion, brings the volunteers immense fulfillment and happiness through their service to others and society.